From towering mountains to open skies, these unbelievable nature moments reveal how powerful, fragile and unpredictable our planet can be. Captured in real time, each scene reflects nature's beauty and danger side by side. Now, let's begin with today's remarkable footage. From Everest Base Camp in Nepal, a massive avalanche can be seen clearly as it sweeps down the mountainside. The scene is breathtaking, yet it serves as a powerful reminder of the dangers present in high-altitude terrain. Lightning struck close to a soccer field in Valladolid, Spain. Situations like this reinforce the importance of checking weather conditions before outdoor activities. In southeastern Melbourne, a lightning strike illuminated the night sky in a sudden flash. Thunderstorms can be unpredictable, and lightning remains one of their most dangerous elements. This phenomenon is known as a reindeer vortex, where animals run in tight circles to confuse predators and protect the herd's most vulnerable members.
Well, that was not just lichen.
Sea cucumbers live along sandy and muddy seabeds, feeding on organic matter and debris. A severe storm moved through Brisbane, bringing large hail that shattered car windows. Hailstorms can cause sudden damage, and safety is the top priority during such events. In Ravenswood, West Virginia, intense hail fell as special weather warnings were issued. Extreme weather often arrives quickly, emphasizing the need to stay alert and informed. Ecuador's capital was overwhelmed by deep flooding, bringing traffic to a standstill and creating dangerous conditions across the city. Prolonged periods of severe weather can quickly turn urban areas into high-risk zones.
Oh my gosh. Holy. This bridge is gonna collapse. We are not getting home.
In Yellowstone National Park, a solid bridge was swept away by powerful floodwaters within moments. Events like this show how rapidly moving water can overcome even well-built structures.
That is our way home.
In Boiling Springs, South Carolina, strong rotating winds likely lifted and scattered trampolines, patio furniture and wooden fencing from a backyard. Sudden wind bursts can cause surprising damage in residential areas. Surfers in San Diego rode waves glowing like an ocean dance floor. This effect is caused by bioluminescent plankton that emit light when disturbed. A rare sight appears as a spinning vortex made entirely of tumbleweeds moves across open land without visible storm clouds above. These formations can occur when strong surface winds interact with dry vegetation. In Yunnan, tall buildings swayed during a strong earthquake, sending people rushing for safety. High-rise structures are designed to move during seismic events, but the motion can still be alarming.
What's going on, Bryson? What is going on?
In Cornwall, severe storms tore coastal huts from the shoreline and dragged them into the sea. Strong winds and waves can rapidly reshape exposed coastlines. At first glance, this scene looks like thousands of giant seeds pushing up through the ground. In reality, natural processes can create patterns that closely resemble living forms. At first glance, it may be hard to believe this is a marine creature. Many ocean animals have shapes and movements that challenge our expectations. Using strength and precise control, the snake climbs a tree with ease. Muscular movement and balance allow many snakes to navigate vertical surfaces efficiently. At first glance, this creature may look like a worm, but it is actually a lizard with just 2 legs. Species like this illustrate the remarkable diversity of evolutionary adaptation. Underground water pressure can generate unexpected force. This is why caution is advised near storm drains and manholes during heavy rainfall. An avalanche thundered down the slopes of Ajax Peak in Colorado, shaking the region from its winter calm. Snow avalanches remain one of the most unpredictable and powerful forces in alpine environments. A snowplow works steadily at Hoya de la Mora, clearing heavy snow from the roadway. Snow removal crews play a vital role in keeping mountain routes safe during winter storms. A powerful snowstorm in California forced several vehicles to stop along a notoriously difficult mountain pass. Scenes like this reveal both the beauty and the challenges of traveling through alpine terrain.
No way! Look at this! No, they...
In False Bay, the ocean surface came alive as dozens of dolphins appeared at once. Group activity like this is often linked to feeding or social behaviour.
No!
Galera, acabei de remover uma carne de marimbonda aqui, chumbinho, galera, braba, para ela não ser morta com veneno, galera. Vou colocar. Aí eu falar, vocês racham fora as onças, entenderam? Porque assim, se eu falar que elas têm que sair, sai.
Sand and ice combined to form an unusual natural sculpture. When temperatures and moisture align just right, striking patterns can emerge along shorelines. Large hailstones, roughly the size of golf balls, slammed into Rapid City, South Dakota as a storm moved in. The sound alone reflects the intensity of severe hail events. Heavy rainfall caused a stream to rise rapidly, sweeping away an unfinished bridge. Floodwaters can gain strength quickly, especially after prolonged rain. In New Jersey, flash flooding turned streets into rivers, sending cars drifting like fallen leaves. Fast-moving water is one of the most dangerous forces during floods.
Oh my God! 614 debris. Oh no.
A tornado passed through Windsor Heights, Iowa, hurling debris into moving traffic. Even brief tornadoes can pose extreme danger to anyone nearby.
We can't go this way either.
During a strong earthquake, a high-hanging chandelier swayed violently, appearing moments from falling. Indoor hazards like this can be just as dangerous as structural damage. An unusually red sunrise appeared over Los Angeles as wildfire smoke filled the atmosphere. Particles in the air can scatter sunlight, dramatically altering the colours of the sky. Like a living painting, green and purple auroras danced across the skies of Alaska. These lights are created when solar particles interact with Earth's magnetic field. A major storm accompanied by hail swept across South Dakota, leaving widespread damage behind. This ground movement in India is real as pressure beneath the surface forces the soil upward. Subsurface shifts like this can compromise foundations and infrastructure. Although Typhoon Trami had passed its impacts remained severe. flooding and landslides continue to affect communities, showing that disasters often extend beyond the storm itself. Frost transformed a windshield in Arkansas into a delicate natural pattern. Ice crystals can form intricate designs when moisture freezes rapidly on glass. These unbelievable nature moments remind us that nature shapes our world in ways we cannot control. Respect, awareness and preparation are essential when facing its power. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay safe, and join us again to explore more extraordinary moments on Earth.